Let's take a look at how we can apply formatting to the file as well as optimize imports. So first of all, let's break formatting in this file, and then I'm gonna open up Command Palette by pressing Command-Shift-A and run the command reformat code, or we can use keyboard shortcut, which is Option-Command-L. And as we can see, the file was formatted. Now let's try it out one more time, but this time I'll use keyboard shortcut. Here we go. Besides applying formatting to only one file, we can also apply formatting to all the files within a particular folder. To do so, we have to right-click on the folder, choose an option Reformat Code. Here we have a couple of extra options that we are going to review later on, but for now let's just press Run, and we get the same result. The file was formatted. So this is how we can apply formatting to files. And now let's switch over to user.php and take a look at how we can optimize imports. And by optimizing imports, I mean removing unused imports and sorting imports in alphabetical order. Let's add an import that will be unused. And now I'm going to execute the command called optimize imports. Or alternatively, we can press Ctrl Option O. As we can see, unused import has been removed, and all imports have been sorted in alphabetical order. We can also apply these two actions at once, formatting as well as optimizing imports. So this time I'm going to run the command called reformat file. And here I can choose some of the additional actions that I would like to execute while applying formatting. And as for the rearrange option, we're going to review it right now. For this, I'm gonna open up playlist.php. And here, let's just change the order of elements in this class. I'm gonna move protected property relationships so that it comes after method called channel. And then I'm gonna change access modifiers of some of these methods. One of these methods I'm gonna make private and protected. And so what this rearrange code command will allow us to do is it is going to rearrange code within the class in such a way that firstly we're gonna get all declarations of properties, followed by method declarations. And methods will be ordered in such a way that firstly public methods will come, then protected methods, and in the end private methods. By the way, all these actions that we have reviewed, such as formatting, optimizing imports, and rearranging code, they can be executed automatically after saving the file. And to make them run automatically, let's open up Settings, search for Actions on Save, and here let's check the first three checkboxes: Reformat code, Optimize imports, and Rearrange code. And now I'm gonna press Command S to save this file, and as we can see, the code has been formatted along with import optimization. But I prefer to do these actions manually, so I'm going to uncheck all these checkboxes. And lastly, let's review another way to apply formatting. Let's run the command called reformat file, or we can also press Option-Shift-Command-L. And here, in addition to the formatting, if we'd like to optimize imports as well as rearrange code, we can check these two checkboxes. And we are getting the same result. So in this lesson, we have reviewed additional techniques to keep our code clean, such as formatting, optimizing imports, and rearranging code. Let's continue in the next one.